Hello students, welcome back to the biology class. So in the last class we've covered and completed the chapter number 20, that is locomotion and movements. In today's class we are going to begin with the new chapter, 21st chapter from the NCERT, that is the neural control and coordination. After this, just one more chapter of human physiology that includes the hormonal control and coordination, and then we will move over to the first unit to complete the syllabus. So in this chapter we will be discussing about this component of the central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. We'll be talking about the structure and types of neurons, and along with that we'll be learning in detail the structure of brain, structure of spinal cord, as well as the cranial nerves, spinal nerves, and reflex action. There are topics of eye structure as well as the ear structure which has been deleted for this academic session as per the instructions given by the CBSE because of pandemic. So without wasting much time, let's begin with the topic. So neural control and coordination. What exactly is regulation and control? Let's understand first of all. We all know that organism carries out a large number of functions which not only influence one another but also influence the functioning of the organism. So there needs to be some control as well as regulation. So regulation is the adjustment which is done by the organism to an optimum requirement so that the organism is able to show some variation with the changes which are there in the surrounding. So regulation helps in adjustment required according to the change in the condition. For example, we all know that whenever we are running fast, we have to breathe faster. And in the same manner, when we breathe fast, even the circulatory system or the beating of the heart also is going to become faster. So this all is called as control or regulation of any of the physiological reaction or process in the human body. And control is the ability to limit or to change a physiological process for adjusting the functioning of the various interconnected system. This ensures integration and coordination of all systems so that the whole machinery of human body continues to function smoothly. So the control and integration are two important aspects in the neural control and coordination. The process of harmonizing the functioning of all the organs in human body so that they all function in coordination is called coordination, and the phenomena of one or more organs when they cooperate with each other so that everything functions properly is called as integration. So the topic as per NCERT, the first thing to understand is the meaning of the neural system. So it's a system of specialized organs, nerves, and then the branches which take part in coordinating and controlling the activities of different organs and systems of the human body so that the body behaves as an integrated whole which can show adjustment to both changes which are coming inside the body as well as changes which are coming outside the body. For its functioning, the nervous system, which is also called as the neural system, possesses neurons which are also called as the nerve cells, the structural functional unit of the system, which picks up the various types of stimuli. Stimulus, you have learned in 10th class, is defined as any change brought in the surrounding. It could be internal stimulus or external stimulus from the various sense organs and then integrate them through the nervous system that also determines the response. So after this, the body is going to show a response, and this response will go to the effector organ, and finally the response is established or done. So transmission of the message in the nervous system is in the form of electric impulse, as well as there are some biochemicals which are called as the neurotransmitters. We'll be discussing them in detail in this chapter. So therefore nervous system carries out its activity through three types of basic function. So first thing is to receive the stimulus, then to process the stimulus, and then perform a particular response towards the stimulus is the concept of the nervous system. Now we all know nervous system is important because it plays important role in sensation because without the nervous system the basic sensations which we have like sight, seeing something, hearing something, tasting something, smelling something, or pain. All these things are not possible if there is no neural system. So it helps in sensation. It helps the animal to understand regarding the surroundings. It also helps to develop the memory. It also helps to understand the changes which are coming in the surrounding, and then it helps in coordinating the various functions of the various systems or activities of the body. It also helps in making control over the functions of various glands as well as the muscles. It also helps to understand the changes coming inside the body also, and it maintains homeostasis in the internal environment of the body. And nervous system takes immediate remedial measures whenever there are harmful stimulus. Whenever we receive a stimulus which is bad for us, could be life threatening for us, in that case also the neural system plays an important role, because it will tell us how should we respond, so that quickly we respond, and thus we are saved from any harmful sensation which is there. So this is how there are many functions of the neural system.